Hi everybody. It looks like I'm live. Maybe I'll give a second to see if anybody's there. Today's Wellness Wednesday is going to be all about pets, or what I do for my dogs. My name is Betsy Vete. I'm coming to you live from Broomfield, Colorado after a long day of work and walking the dogs, and just wanted to come and let you know, what do I do? How do I use essential oils for dogs? A little background, I've been using doTERRA for about 3 years, and I've been in animal rescue for 8 years, and that led me to my position at a pet food company here in Boulder, Colorado called I and Love and You. And it's been great because I still get to really interact with dogs, and I mostly deal with consumers having issues with their dogs, so it's great because I can give them different kinds of advice. So what do I do? One of my dogs, here are all my dogs. I'm just gonna show you. There's Maggie, I don't know if you could see, and Rocky. You saying hi? And that's Roxy. So she's visiting with us, and I'm gonna try to get this straight. She's visiting with us for 19 days while her family is in Europe, so that's been really fun. So right after my first year, after my first convention, I learned of being able to take frankincense under the tongue. In fact, the whole panel of doctors did. They just opened up frankincense, put it right under the tongue. So I thought, this has got to be good for our pets too. Got verified through Leslie Schmidt, who's our vet tech on our team, which is fantastic. And ever since, I've been putting 2 drops, 1 to 2 drops. I go for 1, but 2 sometimes come out, and I don't worry about it, but I put it in Rocky and Maggie's morning meals. Then in the evening, so frankincense is fantastic. It's the king of all oils. It helps boost your immune system. It kind of does a little bit of everything, and it's a great anti-inflammatory. It also helps fight the C word. So I'll say that there. Let me also say a disclaimer, I'm not a vet. I'm not even a vet tech, but I've been really involved in the health of our animals and natural healing as much as possible. So they get 2 drops of frankincense in the morning. In the evening, they get 2 drops of copaiba. Copaiba is an amazing oil. This one speaks to our CB2 receptors. CBD oil speaks to CB1 receptors, but there has to be THC in it, which is the psychoactive component of CBD oil. Copaiba doesn't have any THC at all, so it's a fantastic oil. It is anti-inflammatory. It's very calming. It's sort of another frankincense. It's very mild. I put 2 drops in their dinner. Now, your dogs may be smaller. Your cats, you should really consider this on a case-by-case basis. Hi, Esther. And just do what's right for you. But your pets, this is over time. In the beginning, I only gave them a drop of frankincense, and I grew to learn more. So these are what they take internally, the frankincense and the copaiba, AM, PM. Love it. Maggie has some mild arthritis, and so I give her a deep blue pill in her breakfast every single morning. Maggie's about 40 pounds, and I just open up one of these capsules, and I sprinkle it on her food, and she eats it like a champ. It's great. I also give both Rocky and Maggie, I don't have it in front of me, but I also give them each a PB Assist. The adult version in a pill, not the junior. The junior has xylitol in it, which is extremely dangerous to dogs, so do not use that. Only use the PB Assist in the capsules. It's double encapsulated, so the first part of it will disintegrate in the stomach, and then the second capsule makes it all the way down to the lower intestines. Then at night, I alternate. I either use lavender or serenity, and I open these bottles, and both of the dogs pretty much roll over on their backs, exposing their tummies, so that I will put some on their tummies. And let's see if I can show you that. So I'm gonna, this is an experiment because I haven't done this before, but I'm gonna bring the camera all the way down to dog level. Rocky, look, I have lavender. Oh, see how they're both coming? Roxy's coming too. All right, you guys want a little bit of lavender? Okay, here we go. Come here, come here. All right, come here, come here. Lay down, yeah. See, Rocky loves it. So I just put a drop in my hand and then pet the dogs. You love that, don't you? Where'd Maggie go? Usually she wants to lick my hand. Do you want to lick that, Maggie? Yeah, she loves it. See, they're fighting over it. They both love it. Okay, so that's enough of the show and tell. Sorry, I went off book. Me new with this little tripod here that I'm doing. Okay. And then the final thing, and I'm trying to keep this easy because I realize that I use most of these oils. I use a lot of oils during the day on my dogs and the different supplements at different times of the year. So Aroma Touch is fantastic for soothing muscle aches and even for that mild arthritis. So I'll put a couple of drops in the palm of my hand and I'll dilute it. I'll put maybe another 2 drops of coconut oil and I'll give Maggie a little massage right on the joints where she could be achy. So that's what I do for my dogs. And there's more. That's just the beginning. I'm sure I'll come back with part 2 and then 3 and 4. But thank you so much for listening. I wish you all well. Now I see my sister just jumped on. You missed the whole thing, Christina. You can go back and watch it later. I really was sorry to miss convention this year because they had the very first vet panel and I did get to see the video, and in fact I will post a link to that so you guys can all watch it if you haven't seen it already. Yes, Christina, I'll give you a call. I'll fill you in on everything, but you could watch the video too. All right, so happy Wednesday, everybody. Wishing you wellness and a fantastic night. Have fun with your pets. Bye. And I know I didn't really touch on cats much, so sorry about that. We'll do that next time. Bye.